Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in again. I am down Indian Beach today with the Fimi X8 Tele, or just Fimi Tele, sorry. We are just about ready to fly, guys, so I'm going to get a screen recording going now and into the Fimi Navi 3.0 app. Enter device. And we have an FPV feed. This one grabs FPV very fast, unlike the X8 SE 2022, which, I don't know, guys, sometimes I have to pull it out and plug it back in, or it just takes a very long time. So let's put it on video here. Already had it on video. Okay. And we're going to take it off of super night mode because that's what it's on here. On video. Back, and we're on 4K 30. Video quality's high. HDR is turned on. It's a pretty dreary looking day, guys, and the fog is way out this end. It actually just rolled out, so we should be okay. We have I think it's about 18 km/h gusts. Before I take off, I'm gonna get it in sport mode and start recording. There we go. Oh, we have to take the transmitter out of return to home mode, and now we can take off. We have, I can't even see the number of satellites. 22. We have 22 satellites, so up we go, automatic takeoff. There we have it. And let's head out into that wind. Gain some altitude. There we go, guys. It's pretty windy. It's probably more than what it was saying. But we're kind of flying into the wind here, so we should be okay. I was going to fly the other mini drones, but it's too much for it here today. And plus, it was kind of misty. So let off the sticks there. The drone's holding position. Put our camera down a little bit. We just had a ferry go out. I just missed it. I've got a hair hanging off my face there. Let's turn around and see if we can see that ferry, guys. It's probably way out there now. Yeah, look at that. It is way out. It's out near the end. Just out near the open ocean. We will zoom in. Get you a good look at it. That's only 5 times. Let's bring it up to the 30 times. There we go. There you get a nice clear view of that. And we'll back it back out. Compass interference detected. Please fly away from tall buildings and interference sources like mountains. There's none of that around here, guys. See what I mean? You can see what's around me. I'm going to circle right around. I don't know why these Fimi drones always get compass interference in this area. And it's all along this coast right up to Monroe Park. It always seems to happen. Look at the fog out there, guys. I'm going to actually zoom in on that fog. 1 second here. Just bringing the drone out a little further. Too good there. And we'll zoom 5 times. You can see that fog. Let's pick the zoom up to 20. It's like pea soup, guys. Check that out. And we'll back it back out. But it's that bad up there, you can't even see across the harbor. If I was up Monroe Park right now, you wouldn't be able to see the other side. That's how thick the fog rolls in here. not very far away either, guys. We're only like 118 meters out. I'm just circling around. Just had a little bit of lag there. Very slight little bit of lag. Just had a little bit more. Yeah, see, the drone's coming back very easily. Yeah, it's not bad. You just got to be careful here because there is a family. They're probably getting into that vehicle. They were along the beach there a few moments ago. They're over on the other side. Yeah, we're good. Let off sticks. No movement. Yeah, we're okay. Let's do a little droney here. Reversing up. There we go. Well, that fog is out near the open ocean too. So we're just in the clearing here in the center of it, guys. We're just in the clearing of it. I guess I came out at just the right time, but it's kind of misty out. But this you can fly in slight bit of rain. Supposedly rainproof like the last version, the 2022. And the 2022, you've seen what I've flown that in. I had that out in heavy, heavy rain. I'm getting a bit of lag now and then. Every now and then there, just got it again. Having a little bit of a hard time moving forward there, so I'm not going any higher than this, guys. We're 45 meters up. Don't want to go any higher than this and have it blow away. This is a pretty powerful drone. This can handle quite an amount of wind. But I believe they did cripple it down a little bit. I don't even think we get 18 meters a second now. Let's have a look here. In the options. Yeah, we have 18. I could have swore the 2022 had 20 meters per second in sport mode. Could be wrong, but I thought that's what it was. I'll have to check that drone. I haven't had that one out in a long time. I'm just heading over towards the ferry. Compass interference, and it hasn't went away yet. It's still showing that. And I'm getting some lag here. You'll see it in the screen recording. I'm actually bringing this back. Getting too much lag. Way too much lag. We've been filming for 7 minutes. We'll keep it up to the 8-minute mark anyway, guys, and then I'll bring it in. We're down to like 78% battery. If I keep the drone facing me, I'm not going to get any lag. It's when I start to turn. And Fimi needs to fix that. You shouldn't get any lag in this drone. Fimi really need to address that. And this compass interference, they need to address that also. See, once I start to turn, that's when I start to get lag every now and then. Certainly if I get out 100 meters or so and then try and turn back. I can hear that drone fighting, pushing forward in the wind. I just had a bit of lag. Again, and we'll turn. Strange I didn't get it that time, but my signal was down 3 bars in the yellow until I turned right around. Now they're back up full white again. I don't want to perform a return to home because I've got the landing pad close to the car. Wow, signal just went down in the red for a second, guys. So I guess that's it. We're going to bring this in and land it down to 75% battery. I'll probably fly it off a little bit more, but we're going to end this video here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's flight. At least you know you can fly this in a little bit of rain. And that being said, make sure those notifications are on, guys. Hit that like button, and peace out. We'll catch you in the next one.